Welcome, in front of me is OPPO Reno F14 FS 5G, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen PIN code to your smartphone. For the first thing I want you to be aware of is that you're trying to enter the lock screen security PIN code and not the SIM card PIN code, as these two are oftenly mistaken for each other. So just make sure that you're trying to enter the right PIN code in this field and try entering it at least a couple more times. And if you don't succeed, then the best option for you right now would be contacting OPPO Customer Support service and telling them about this issue and show them the proof of the ownership of the smartphone in order to confirm your identity. For example, you can show them a receipt from the store you bought this phone from, and in case you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most likely be able to help you out with your problem and will let you regain access to your phone without removing any data from it. Now, if this option is unavailable for you, you can still regain access to your phone by performing a factory reset operation on it, which will erase all data from your smartphone, but still is a legit way to unlock your device. So what you're gonna have to do is use a completely different device from this one. Open Google Chrome on it or any other browser on it, then go to Find Hub service by Google and sign into the service using your device, your Google password to your Google account that is linked to this smartphone. Then select this device on the list. Well, not this device because I'm currently using it, but so if you're using a different device, what you're gonna have to do is select your OPPO Reno, then go to settings and then select factory reset. And once your device is fully reset, you'll be able to set it up as a new device. So that is the first way. Now, the other way to perform a factory reset operation on your smartphone is by using a recovery mode. And if you're not sure how to use a recovery mode on your smartphone, you just have to check the entire video on our channel called How to Perform Factory Reset Operation on OPPO Reno FS 5G using a recovery mode. So if you need that video, go ahead and check it out. It's very useful, it's very simple, and you can do it within a couple of minutes. And once your device is reset, once again you'll be able to set it up once again and use it as a new device. But if you got yourself caught in a situation where you do remember your PIN code but you still cannot sign into your device, that may be because of some third-party applications that affecting the way your lock screen behaves. And in such case, in order to safely enter your device, you're gonna have to enter the safe mode. To do that, just press the power button and volume up key at the same time. Then select restart and wait until your device turns off. Once it's switched off, you're gonna have to wait until the OPPO logo appears on your screen, and then wait for a couple more seconds, usually like 3 to 4 seconds once the OPPO logo appears on your screen, before you start holding down the volume down key. So just press and hold it and wait until your phone slightly vibrates. That will indicate that your phone is entering the safe mode. Right now the phone has vibrated, so let's just let go of it, and once you are in the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. At this point, you just have to enter your PIN code once again, and if it's the correct one, it will surely work for you. Next, just go to settings and then select security and privacy, not this one, security and privacy, then go to device unlock, then go to screen lock, and instead of numeric screen lock, I'll first enter it, of course. Instead of numeric screen lock, select turn off password, then confirm by entering your current password once again. And after that, normally reboot your phone by pressing the power button and the volume up key at the same time. Then select restart and wait until your device is restarted. Then you'll be able to use your device like usual. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.